Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to make your Canva presentations more creative? Canva Mobile provides different shapes that you can add and customize to improve the look of your presentation slides. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add shapes in Canva Presentation on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. From the Canva home screen, tap Create. Then select Presentation. Choose the presentation template you want to use. The presentation editor will open. Next, tap Elements. Find the Shapes category. Choose the shape you want to add to your presentation. The shape will be added to your slide. You can resize, move, and adjust the shape to match your design. Customize the shape until it looks the way you want. Once you are finished, tap the check icon to save your changes. To save your presentation, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear to change the file format. Tap File Type, select PPTX for a PowerPoint presentation file. You can leave the other settings as the default. Then tap Download. Canva will start processing your presentation. And that's how to add shapes in Canva Presentation on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.